that was meant to happen.
Changing the differential fluid.
Is it something that needed to be done?
Yeah, I don't think it's ever been done. Should be done every 100,000 miles, and now it's at 200. Alright, so we're trying to do a little preventative maintenance. Nate, my sidekick, and I are going to try to use a grease gun and grease up the front axle. Alright, dude, you about ready to crawl under there with me?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay, so this thing here is called a Zerk. Z-E-R-K. I've never heard of such a thing before. But that's like a little greasable nipple thing. So that's good that we found that. I think I might need some shop towels to kind of get in here and kind of get some of this grime. So I think what we'll do is we'll just grease that one up, and then I think we're gonna put it in neutral and push it. Yeah, let's go get some towels.
Alright, so I just push this up in here?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be pretty tight. You're gonna push pretty hard.
Oh yeah, you're right.
See if you can get it.
Ah, yep, I think I got it.
Yeah, looks like it's on. So now just pump that handle and see if grease will go in. And again, don't be underneath of it because we're gonna basically pump it till grease comes out.
Where's it supposed to come out anyway, the grease?
That joint between the two shafts there.
Oh, right here?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think.
So if I don't get grease on my face, that'd be fun. Oh, yep,
There it is.
Yep.
The grease. But it shouldn't come out of there, I don't think. It should go in there. But I guess if that means if it's coming out of there, right? Then it should be good to go. Let's give it just one more pump. Okay. I feel like that's gotta be. Alright, can you hand me a towel? Try to cover up, try to clean up some of this mess. So there's the same nipple on this one. I think we just need to push it. Put it in neutral and push it and kind of, yeah. Okay.
What does putting it in neutral do anyway?
Well, we'll be able to, hopefully move the axle.
Into the cabin I go. Alright, so brake is applied, as you can see. And then just
Should be able to just pull it back. Push the button in. No, it's not doing it. Okay, so let's try. About now.
There we go.
All right. Put it in park.
All right, into park goes. Assuming it'll let me. Okay, it let me. That's good. Okay, I do not have a good angle here. Ooh. I need to get a better angle. Oh, okay, got it in.
All right, you know what to do now.
Yep, I am going to, however, flip this over.
There's Nate doing some greasing.
Well, not yet. Now I am.
All right, I'll hold it down here since two's better than one. kill my finger. Watch that grease spot up there, dude.
Yeah. Oh, there's grease on it already.
Already?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's good.
Yeah.
All right, pull it off.
There is a lot of grease though.
That's fine.
Because I did not see it coming out.
It's fine.
Ah. Okay. Well.
All right, here, just give it a wipe.
Yeah.
Okay, so when we were doing the greasing, I was alerted that these little spots on here are actually spots for grease. I did not know that. There's a couple more over here. And so I had to go out and buy this interesting new fitting for the grease gun. Looks like a needle. This is an awkward thing to do. I've seen that people have them like with hand pumps. That might be easier. Okay. I think I pumped some grease in there. All right, I think we're done. All right, so we're going to drain our differential. This is the rear differential. We'll do the front one too. It's just some preventative maintenance. I don't know that it's ever been done. You can see this plug looks like it's the old school version. So what we're gonna do is just undo this plug, because this is the fill plug, and then as soon as we get this out, then we can go through and take this out, which is going to be the drain plug, and then, you know, swap out the fluids. There you go.
Yeah.
Some thick fluid.
Yeah, I got through some of the plastic.
Yeah, you got it all over me. How's it sticking? See all that sludge in there? I'm glad I'm taking that out. Alright, so I'm just gonna give it a little bit of a wipe down. Okay. I'm just gonna start threading this on, and then I'm gonna have you tighten it up. All right. Okay, go ahead and tighten that up.
All right. The smell.
Yeah, not the best smelling oil I've ever smelled in the world. That's all right. Once you can't get it hand tight anymore, here.
Don't want to spill it in the oil. So,
Yeah, don't drop the rest in the oil.
yeah.
I know how many ounces are in a quart.
Fortunately. Okay, yeah, that's as far as I can go.
Let me give it a little crank.
Yeah. You can come in.
I probably should look at the Rave manual. I don't have that up easily accessible to me at the moment, though. I mean, that's good and tight. So this is what we're using. This Valvoline 75W by 140, which is a little thicker than Land Rover recommends. But I've talked to people and read some stuff online, and this is what most of them recommend using, especially with like the differentials in the transfer case. They said it's really thick and kind of just helps protect all of those gears and everything, especially in an older vehicle like this. So that's what people recommend using. Alright, so this just kind of goes in there. And then
It's a lot of air bubbles. Is that like?
well, the air it's gonna all fill out, 'cause it's basically we fill this up until we start seeing some drip out. This is really easy. I thought this was Alright, so we need a little more oil. It wasn't quite enough. I still need more. It just keeps eating oil. There's a lot in there. Lord, how much oil does this thing take? God, how much oil is this thing freaking gonna take? There she is. Finally.
Finally, yeah.
Alright, there you go, dude. She's loose.
Right. Or not left. Yeah, left. Get in there. Alright, got it now.
Got it moved.
Are we going the right way or not? I mean, we did it last time. Who knows when we're doing it again, so.
All you know.
Oh wait, actually, never mind. Actually, I will.
Tell you what, I'm just gonna push this one in. You do the next one.
Okay, why would it be awkward to like stop while you're pushing it? Or?
Yeah, it's just kind of an awkward time to switch.
Alright, so we know that it needs approximately 216 ounces.
Takes 2 quarts. Because you used half of this. This is 1 US gallon. You used half of it. So that means 2 quarts, right? I like mills so much better. So much easier to deal with. Here, go ahead and fill up. There she is. It's not a flattering photo. Mom's gonna have a field day with this commentary.